Grapefruits are relatively large citrus fruits with a combination of slightly sweet and bitter flavor profiles, a yellowish peel, and deep pink flesh. Their existence as a fruit species is short, as grapefruits resulted from an inadvertent cross between two non-endemic species, the sweet orange and pomelo shaddock, on the island of Barbados in the 18th century. While one must be careful of consuming too much fruit juice in general, due to its significantly higher glycemic load in comparison to the whole fruit itself, grapefruit juice in particular has shown some major health benefits. One significant difference is its much higher content of antioxidant compounds in comparison to other commercial fruit juices. For example, research has suggested that grapefruit juice can both help fight against insulin resistance and weight gain, both of which are major risk factors for developing type 2 diabetes, and also that grapefruit juice may be an effective management tool for existing diabetics. The juice of citrus fruits is where the majority of their health benefits come from, as it contains the most nutrients. Grapefruit, a citrus fruit, has been shown to have beneficial effects on diabetes. According to some sources, grapefruit can help diabetics by lowering their risk of insulin resistance. It develops when cells fail to respond typically to insulin and causes high blood sugar. Uncontrolled insulin resistance is a risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes, and grapefruit has been shown to be useful in treating this disease. Grapefruit is low in carbs, high in fiber, and also has a low GI. Regular consumption of grapefruit not only aids in weight loss, but also aids in maintaining blood glucose levels, which is important in preventing diabetes. As an added bonus, it contains plenty of healthy substances like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Diabetics are strongly encouraged to replace sugary beverages with grapefruit juice due to its many health benefits. Since grapefruits have many health benefits for the body, consuming juice on a regular basis is recommended.